My fog light is full of water. In this condition, there's no way I'll pass the inspection. That's why I'm going to remove it, dry it, and then seal it again. First, I turn the wheel all the way in. That gives me better access to the wheel arch. On the passenger side, there is also the windshield washer tank. Because of that, the access on this side is more limited. To reach the fog light, I first loosen 2 screws inside the wheel arch. At the top, I also pull out 4 clips. Now I can move the front trim piece a bit forward. As a spacer, I simply use my flashlight. This gives me enough room to reach the first 2 screws that hold the fog light in place. For the 3rd screw, I remove the small cover directly on the lamp. Then I push the plastic plug, together with the screw, inward. Finally, I disconnect the electrical plug, and now I can remove the fog light completely. After 2 days in the heating room, the fog light is completely dry again. Now it is carefully sealed with a 2-component adhesive. Here is a larger crack that is most likely responsible for the water ingress. In addition, I will seal the lamp all around once again. After 1 full day of curing, the light is ready to be reinstalled. If necessary, the inside of the light can also be cleaned before sealing. For this, I attach a small cloth to a piece of wire, spray it with glass cleaner, and carefully wipe the inside surface of the lamp. This way, even small water marks and dirt can be removed before resealing. Reinstalling the fog light works in the exact reverse order of removal. However, there is one special detail concerning the plug. First, insert the plug into its hole without the screw. After that, tighten the screw from the inside, meaning from the wheel arch, using a long screwdriver. And that's it. The fog light is once again dry, tightly sealed, and ready to pass the next inspection without any problems.